grinders, lathes, press brakes, shears, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a real nice machine. It's a 3-axis Chevalier vertical CNC mill. It even has a little bit extra on this guy, so it's a nice machine. Chevalier is a great brand. We're actually reps of theirs, brand new machines. If you're interested in a new one, we can get you one as well. They last a great long time. They're very heavy duty. This particular one is a 3-axis. Now what that means is you're going to have your X and your Y. You'll have servo drives. You'll see these big boxes on here. You'll see the 2 servo drives. That's going to go ahead and power this table. On this one, since it's a 3-axis, it's going to have a servo drive also on the quill, so you'll have your head be able to go up and down. Now if it's a 2-axis machine, you can program the table and you pull down your quill during each stop. So you can set it to one point, pull down the quill if you have a different depth, either hit a jog switch or a start switch, and it'll go ahead to the next point, and then you go ahead and pull it down again. So if you think about the time it might take to do that, a 3-axis might be worth it to you if you have a lot of different drill depths. It basically makes it a kind of a machining center without the full enclosure. You'll notice this also has a servo or a power feed for the knee, which is really nice. Help bring the knee up and down if you have some heavy machine pieces that you need to put on there, or if you have some different depths. We'll go ahead and show you how this machine works, just a basic function. There's a Proto Trak M3 by Southwestern Industries. They're also a rep that we sell, brand new controllers and machines. Very nice company, been in business for a very long time. First thing we're going to do here is we have our depth, we'll set that. And you can see the quill just came right down to the depth that we're going to be doing our job at. We'll go ahead and put the event that we put in here, we program the job. Here you can see the path again that it's going to take as it does the job.
Great.
Here you can see the path is plotting, and the X and Y are moving now. Doing a simple program here. We have our different feed rates. If you want to slow down the feeds, you'll notice everything's slowing down. Increase your feed rate, and depending on the material you're going to be cutting, how fast you're going to want to be doing it. Everything is a real science to know exactly the precise cutting speeds, lubricants, and cutting tools. You can see everything's functioning on this machine. The head sounds good. To change your speeds in the head, it's going to be a manual change, just like a regular Bridgeport style. See exactly where the job is at, and it's all done. You can see it's back into the home position. Now if you're interested in this machine or a new machine, any other, if you have something to trade in, give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory, some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.